What's up? This is Dr. Taylor at the Washington Wellness Center, and just have another short video with a cool graphic again. Now we make these great graphics and we post them on our Facebook and on our Pinterest and on our Instagram and stuff, but they just need a little bit more explaining, and this is one that I get excited about, so I just want to explain what this graphic means. So this graphic is explaining glutathione, which is my favorite compound on the planet. I'm a weirdo. I have a favorite compound, but glutathione is your body's master detoxifier, master antioxidant, master protector of the cell, master protector of the mitochondria, just so critically important. And this graphic kind of illustrates some of the important roles that glutathione plays. So the first one's down here on the bottom, the barriers. Glutathione is necessary and important essential for barrier integrity. So the intestinal barrier gets the most publicity, leaky gut, and glutathione is really necessary. So that intestinal lining, those tight junctions that hold those intestinal cells together, glutathione is necessary to maintain that integrity, to keep those tight junctions and to keep that barrier from being permeable. Same thing is true in the blood-brain barrier. The blood-brain barrier is really important, and it keeps things like heavy metals, things like toxins, things like just even harmful compounds, keeps them out of the brain. It's actually very selectively permeable, more selectively permeable than the intestinal barrier. But glutathione is absolutely necessary for blood-brain barrier integrity. Then along those same lines, you also have a lung epithelial barrier. So that's when things are breathed in. So somebody with mold toxicity, somebody with multiple chemical sensitivity, where those tight junctions have become leaky and now things are able to get in. That's not good. We do not want that. Glutathione is really important for that. In fact, the epithelial cells of your lung have a higher concentration of glutathione than almost any other cell in the body. So it's really important in the lungs and also in the nasal sinuses. Glutathione's really critical up there. Now up here, this is something that we talk about in our office and on our channel a lot, is tolerance, because tolerance is the body's ability to differentiate good from bad, basically. And so glutathione is really important. Glutathione helps induce regulatory T cells, which help balance Th1 and Th2 immune system, help induce tolerance, helps down-regulate something called Th17 cells, which are tissue damaging in the autoimmune process. When you run out of glutathione, it's going to turn on inducible nitric oxide, which is also tissue damaging. So really important to decrease tissue damage from autoimmune processes, and also just to prevent autoimmune processes by establishing tolerance. Also very important in the removal of environmental compounds, the biotransformation, the detoxification, the cytochrome P450 enzymes, the phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification process, where your body takes a harmful compound and makes it into a more harmful compound, and then makes it into a compound that's able to be excreted. So that's what you want, is for that compound to be taken through that process so that it can be gotten rid of. That's what detoxification is. Glutathione, like we mentioned, is your body's master detoxifier. Then throughout your body, you have a number of other antioxidant processes that basically all revolve around glutathione. Things like superoxide dismutase pathways like the NRF2 pathway and all these different things, antioxidant, pro-oxidant balance. Glutathione is absolutely essential. So in autoimmune disease, in detoxification, in mold and heavy metals and the type of things that we see a lot in our clinic and in a functional medicine clinic, glutathione is very important, and it's something that a lot of my patients are on or have been on or will be on. It's something that I take regularly, so really important stuff.